Welcome back to Autistic Decoder. In this tutorial, we'll be building a cryptocurrency arbitrage trading bot in TypeScript. Whether or not you're into cryptocurrency, or crypto for short, understanding how to build a cryptocurrency trading bot helps you stay current as a developer and understand how automated trading with any other asset works. It can also be a fun challenge. Before we begin, I do need to issue a disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only. The content presented is a walkthrough of building a crypto arbitrage bot as a software development project. It is not financial advice and should not be interpreted as such. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile and involve risk. Please consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money secured by cryptography. Unlike traditional currencies, it doesn't require a bank or central authority. You store and use it with a crypto wallet, and all transactions are permanently logged on a blockchain. What is a cryptocurrency token? A token is a unit of cryptocurrency. For example, 1 Bitcoin is 1 Bitcoin token. What is arbitrage? A trading strategy where you buy low in one place and sell high in another to make a small profit. For example, Timmy buys and sells cryptocurrency tokens at $1 per token. Alice buys and sells crypto tokens at 90 cents per token. We can buy tokens from Alice and sell them to Timmy for a profit of 10 cents per token. What is slippage? Slippage occurs when the price of crypto changes while a trader is buying or selling crypto. For example, if I buy 1 Bitcoin while the price is $80,000, but the price goes to $81,000 before my order is complete, the price slipped by $1,000 or 1% of the original price. In order to trade crypto tokens, we'll need a crypto wallet. A wallet has an address which identifies the wallet and is used to send crypto tokens to it, and a private key which is used to send crypto tokens from your wallet and prove you're sending them and not someone else. To set up your crypto wallet, go to solflare.com/download. Under supported extensions, click on your browser and install the Solflare wallet extension. Then click on the wallet in your browser's extensions and follow the on-screen instructions. So now create a folder called crypto-trader, and in this folder, run the command on your screen. Now you're going to want to copy the private key of the wallet to the clipboard. I'll show you how to do that with a fake wallet that I've created. So I'm gonna here's my fake wallet. I'm gonna click the export private key. So, and then confirm copy. And then now in the crypto trader folder, create a file called .env. This is where we'll store environment variables for the project. This allows us to store configuration data outside the bot's source code, such as the wallet's private key and the minimum profit. Now in the crypto trader folder, create a new file called Jupiter.ts. And this file will contain code to interact with the Jupiter API. We'll use it to buy Solana at the lowest price we can find and sell it for the highest possible price. And so here's the code for that file, this file. Now in the crypto trader folder, create another file called SOL _ USDC.ts. This is the main source code for the bot. This is where we repeatedly check prices and do the trades. If there's a large enough profit to be made, and if we have enough Solana to cover all the fees we'll have to pay, we'll be buying Solana with USDC, which is pegged to the US dollar, and selling the Solana for USDC. So here's the code to do all that. Yep. Thanks for watching. This project is a great way to learn how decentralized finance, trading APIs, and blockchain programming work together. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let's keep learning and growing together.